In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Apple ID password. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings. Then tap right here at the very top at your name to open up your Apple ID. Then tap at Password and Security. And then at the very top, tap at Change Password. It will prompt you to enter your current iPhone passcode. Just do it. Then you will be taken to this page where you should come up with a new password. Just enter it in that field and then verify it. Once you did that, just hit Add Change. And on that step, it offers you to sign out your other devices or do not sign out. I'm gonna select Sign out other devices. And that's it. Now you know how you can easily change your Apple ID password on your iPhone or iPad. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.